TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, middle of the trading day. Let's check in on the markets. As major indices, Dow leading the way, up 188 points, or almost 0.8%, trading 25,101. S&P's positive by 13 points, trading 2709, and the NASDAQ negative by 8 points, trading 7107. Let's take a look at the VIX as we jump into the markets. As these markets continue to rise higher, gain some calmness compared to the recent volatility. The VIX pulling back a bit, 2274. Still high on a relative basis as where we've been, but maybe not compared to that 50 number, and definitely not compared to some of those swings we saw yesterday. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. We'll start things off with the S&P 500, currently trading 2708. We're up as high as about 2724. The highs of the market about 11:10 a.m. this morning. Dow 30, pretty much a similar pattern. Highs made at about 10 past 11 Eastern Time this morning. Currently trading above 25,000, 25,084. NASDAQ 100 not pulling up, but that's okay. Crude oil. So we have the EIA inventory numbers come out at 10:30 a.m. this morning. There's your 10:30 bar, and from there, quite a cascade to the downside. Over $2 just since 10:30 in about the last 2.5 hours. And right now, crude oil trading 61.47, looking at the March contract. Gold continuing to struggle as these markets continue to rise. Gold trading below 1320, 1318.10 currently. And Bitcoin, relative good prices in Bitcoin, especially when considering we were below 6,000 just a couple days ago, up at 83.45 in Bitcoin. Other news kind of fundamentally breaking out there as we speak. Senate leaders saying they potentially have a major budget deal. Now, of course, if they don't pass anything by the end of the day tomorrow, Thursday, you'll see a government shutdown. So it seems like there'll be a short-term spending deal, maybe for a few weeks, while they hash out the details of this, which has to pass in the House, of course, and then approved by the president. So they have some details to work out. A deal like this that may carry out maybe even a couple years is going to take some finagling. So in the meantime, they're going to try and pass a stopgap measure for a few weeks. But either way, that news just kind of hitting the markets and really not too much of an impact just as of yet. We'll see as the details come out. Stay tuned. We have our man Steve Rhodes coming up right now with the Trader's Edge, Dave White at 2 o'clock with the Power Trading Hour, and Tom O'Brien wraps up the day live from 3 till 5, and I'll talk to you next hour for a top-of-the-hour update at TFNN.com.